Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. I am trying to finish up these Valentine's Day projects because I am running behind. Late as always. You guys know my thing. I'm always late. Anyways, I'm going to be sharing with you a simple idea on how to decorate things for Valentine's goodie bags. So this one, I'm going to share two with you. One is going to be to my crafty friend, Susan. Like I said, we're doing a Valentine's Day inspired craft swap. And I am late. I've already received hers and I haven't even sent mine. And that's because I keep saying, I need to do one more project. I need to do one more this. I want to send her one more thing. And so it's still sitting here. The nice thing about it is that she's always super laid back and she's like, don't worry about it. But I wanted to show you how I'm doing a goodie bag for a crafty friend, and then the same idea but a goodie bag for my daughter's teacher without spending too much money. It's conservative, it's a nice touch, but without breaking your wallet. So we're gonna go ahead and do the teachers first so you guys could see what I put in there. So everything that I got here is from the Target Dollar Spot or Bullseye Spot. Sometimes they have different names. And so the first thing that I got are these gorgeous nail polish that are like in the soft pastel colors, and it comes with nail files in here, and it just says me time. So basically that's the inspiration for gathering all these things together. It's just a sweet touch, really. So I picked these up. I want to say they were $3, and we're gonna remove the tag just so we're not that tacky. So I have that. We're gonna add this hair headband, and this was also from the Target Dollar Spot. This was also $3, and we are just going to cut that off. And then I also picked up this heart, which I thought it was just adorable. It is like ceramic, and I figured they could have it in their desk. Add a little paper clip or a couple paper clips, and look how cute it will look on the desk. So I got this also from that same spot, and I also believe it was $3 as well. And then I found the toe foam separators for when they do the nails. Again, kind of go hand in hand, and this was $1, so we're gonna add that. And then we're going to add a couple lollipops, and then the sticky notes as well. So we are going to try to put everything in this, and this is just like a lunch bag, really. And we're just, maybe I should put this in here so that it somewhat protects it, maybe. So I'm gonna try to fit everything in here first. Hopefully I don't have a trouble. This way. And then this. And then two of these notepads. Can you guys see in there? And then we're going to add the lollipops. And I am going to squeeze here and then fold over like that, just once. So it has like a loop. I don't know if that makes sense. And then I'm going to bring these dollies over and fold it in half. And I'm only decorating the front side of it, not necessarily the back. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to bring over my stapler and staple right in the center. And obviously the bag is not going to be even, you guys, because it's like bulkier on one side. Not all the items are the same, but that's what it's essentially going to look like. And then my friend Susan again gifted me all these Valentine's Day Krafts. So I'm gonna go ahead and start putting that topping together. First, I'm gonna lay down the rosette, and I'm gonna use double-sided tape just so things move quicker. Okay, so I'm gonna kind of put that there. Then I'm gonna put this other dolly that she made for me. This is actually, I think she has a die for that. And she made that. So I'm gonna glue this down, but I cut it too big. So I'm gonna put that here. And then let's add a foam heart. I can't even see because it's sideways, but let's put a foam sticker here. Off, not necessarily on the center, but just kind of off like that. And then let's use one of these little banners from the collection. This one's called Sweet as Candy, or it says Sweet as Candy. And for this one, let's actually try to adhere it with glue so that it holds a little bit. Not like the tape wasn't working. Of course it was working, but this one's like different shape. So we're gonna do that there. Give it a little squeeze just so that until it dries. Hold on. Okay. And that's what it's gonna look like. You know what? We could add some embellishments because again, Susan gifted me like so many goodies that are Valentine inspired. We could add, sorry, it's like hard to see without trying to lift it. Let's add one over here. Yeah, that's good. So that's that. That's what it looks like. I'm gonna take pictures of the bags once they're completed, and I'm going to show you the picture at the end because I don't feel like it does its justice sitting, like laying down like that. Like you would like almost have to look at it this way, so you know what I mean, like standing up, so you get a good view of how cute and simple that looks. But this is again for the teacher. And then let me show you what I'm adding to my crafty buddy. I am just looking for another bag, and I guess I need to go grab one. Okay, so for my crafty buddy, the concept is gonna be the same, but for her, I got this stuff from Michael's, and I'm gonna show you what I got from Michael's and then from the Target spot as well. So I'm going to add these paper flowers and these gem hearts from the Paper Studio. I'm also going to add this Valentine Krafts sequence, and as you guys can see, it's just pinks and reds and whites, which is very pretty. I'm gonna add these Valentine's Day washi tapes that I picked up from Michael's. I am going to add these 2 bags that I picked up from Target. They were $3 each, and these are just, which I thought was an amazing idea. These are just like wood words for the for scramble. Is that the game? I think that's the name. And you guys, I didn't realize that it said my Valentine Mr. and Mrs. I obviously didn't read this when I bought this, but I am still gonna send it because I figured that you could take the words, not use them in the content that is meant to spell out, and then just use them as individual pieces for decoration. So I got enough, 2 of these, because I'm hoping that she could make her own words putting the letters together. So I got 2 of these, and then of course some lollipops that are gonna go in there. And I'm almost forgetting a piece. I also got these ribbon pieces, trim, and this is just a puffy pink ribbon trim that's also inspired by Valentine's. This was $1 from the Target dollar spot, and we're gonna add that there. And same idea, we're gonna fold. Ooh, this one's a little bit fuller. So we're gonna fold, making that loop piece over here. We're gonna stick the dolly halfway and then just staple. Yeah, this one's gonna be a lot harder because it's so not even. And we're gonna find pieces to decorate. Move that out the way. And let's add some gems to it. Oh, she actually gifted me these stickers that my daughter was kind of going to hijack from me. So let me steal a few to add before she takes them away. And let's add one up here. Yep. And that is the topping for this crafty. This one's for the crafty buddy, and this one is for the teacher. So I hope that you guys love the idea. It's just like I said, something quick, a small touch, didn't break my wallet, and just added a piece of decoration. So hopefully they love the idea. I hope that you guys love the idea, because this dolly, flipping it over, freaking amazing solution to doing a bag topping. But anyways, thank you so much for watching, you guys. Like I said, I hope that you see how making a little cluster on a dolly is the solution to a bag topping. I hope that you enjoyed the video. Thank you, and we will see you guys on the next time.